Hello, my name is not important, but you can call me X. Let's get on into the video.
Do you ever hate yourself and feel like you need punishment? No? Just me? Well, we're doing that today. But you may ask, how are we going to do that?
Well, the answer to that is math!
Okay, so you're probably asking, how are you going to make you hate yourself using math? Well, there's lots of ways. But the way I'm going to do it today is I want to figure out what would happen if you sneeze Sonic, the two-pupiled, one-eyed hedgehog, onto a brick wall. So let's get started. Okay, so according to this random page, Sonic's height is 100 centimeters and his weight is 35 kilograms. A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. So, according to my research, the average amount of force needed to break a brick is actually very small, only 3.22 newtons. So, if we assume our brick wall is 2 bricks wide, we just multiply that by 2, get 6.44 newtons, and that's how much force Sonic needs to break our brick wall. So now that we have all our needed variables, we can now plug them into the formula, F equals ma, force equals mass times acceleration, to figure out how many newtons of force Sonic is applying on that wall. So again, this is pretty simple, we just plug in our variables. Sonic weighs 35 kilograms, and he's going at a speed of 160 kilometers an hour. So that would equal a force of 5,600 newtons, absolutely shattering the wall and breaking expectations. Now the only question left is, what would happen to you? So if you sneeze out a hedgehog that weighs 35 kilograms, something monstrous has to happen to your face, right? Right? Well, absolutely right. The force needed to break a skull is about 3,000 newtons. Sonic would shatter your skull completely. Sonic could even break concrete at 1,900 newtons. And you know what? Wood has a higher breaking point than even concrete. Sonic would smash wood with his 5,600 newtons in half, because it only takes 2,800 to break them. See you later. Okay, so, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, like it or not, it doesn't really matter. But please subscribe and ring the bell because YouTube added that, and have a good day.